My name is Nicholas Herro. I had already fallen in love with welding, so I decided to do my research and find a good company or a good school to go weld with. Stick welding just did not come easily to me. I struggled a lot with stick. I got through the first steps pretty easily, but then once the overhead came and the pipe came, it was a challenge. And then once TIG came, it was like a light switch. I did really well with it. I loved it. Started thinking about it outside of school. I learned a lot about interviews and a lot about resumes and just the real stuff that we have to do to make it out in the real world. I learned how to talk to people a lot better. So I feel good about going in. I've definitely grown as a man and as a welder for sure. I am doing a new process. I will be doing mostly aluminum with my new company. So that's exciting to me. I'm very excited to train that and get really good at that. And in the next 3 to 5 years, I plan on being a lot further than I am now. I want a big house, a bunch of cool cars. I think I'll get there. I really do. So the application said they wanted 8+ years of experience. They wanted knowledge, a bunch of different tools that I'd never heard of. And I kind of just, by the advice of my instructors, just put down a ton of applications, and they ended up calling me back fairly quickly. It was after about a week I got a call back from them. And I did the interview process, and they said they wanted me. They said I was a great fit. I had almost no certainty at all that this job would call me back, and they did.